Hello. So yesterday I rode from Forks to Port Angeles. The ride was 68 miles and it was epic, but it took much longer than I thought. I had 6 hours of riding time and about 2 hours of stops for a total of 8 hours, and I had guessed 5 hours of riding time and 1 hour of stop. So I ended up getting here in Port Angeles at about 7, which was just late. You know, that didn't give me a lot of time to get showered and eat and make the video that night. Here's the big thing. For the first day, 68 miles was probably too long. I didn't have any issues. You know, I had good power. I didn't bonk or get tired. I mean, that was all good. It's just a long way to go. So I booked this hotel the night before because I had looked and some of them were already booked that night, and I panicked. I booked it through my credit card, and when I did that, basically it became uncancelable. And then on the ride, I got to the beach, and there's a campground there, and I knew about this campground. And it's like, wow, it was so inviting. I wanted to camp there. I could have camped right there on the beach, and that would have made for a 50-mile day instead of a 68-mile day. So lesson learned, I'm not going to book hotels in advance. And I saw a couple as I was riding in that did not have the no vacancy sign. So I think I would have been able to find a hotel even if I did come to Port Angeles. So I'm not going to do that anymore. Bottom line is, the ride was epic, completely beautiful. Oh, and one more thing, I'm adding a few videos that kind of help you see the route that I took. So tell me if you like that. Thank you.
Well, this is the first section of the Olympic Discovery Trail. You can see it's actually a road that the trail shares. It is beautiful, not a soul on the road, so I have it all to myself. Hello, so I'm still on the Olympic Discovery Trail. It's still a road. I've ridden for at least 10 miles, completely beautiful and completely alone. I've seen one car and one bicyclist. That's it. Ooh, wow, so this is Lake Crescent, completely beautiful. I'm on the last stretch, coming into Port Angeles. Just wanted to show you what the road is like here. It's been pretty busy, pretty noisy, but look over here. Sometimes the difference between a pessimist and an optimist is choosing what to see. I choose to see the snow-covered Olympic campus today.